Welcome to Gelous Nail Art Tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how to do a 3D orange slice using our jelly gel polish. Let's get into it. After completing your nail prep, apply a thin coat of clear rubber base coat and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply a thin coat of Milky pink builder gel and cap the free edge. This is called a slip layer. You don't want to cure this step. Apply a small bead of builder gel and push it towards the cuticle area, ensuring it does not touch the skin. Gently move the builder gel from left to right, working up the nail, then cap the free edge. Using your thin nail art brush, pull some builder gel up the nail as this will help even out the application. Alternatively, you can do 1 to 2 thin coats, curing after each coat. Cure for 60 seconds. If your builder gel has bulked the free edge, gently file your nails back to shape and wipe with remover. Using orange jelly, apply 1 thin coat and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Using orange jelly and your thin nail art brush, paint a reverse French tip around the bottom of your nail. Cure for 10 seconds. Repeat the previous step to intensify the orange jelly. Cure for 10 seconds. Using Whiteout and your thin nail art brush, paint 8 equal sections. You want to make sure that these lines are nice and thin. Cure for 10 seconds. Paint over your sections if needed to make each section stand out. Cure for 10 seconds. Paint half of a reverse French tip above orange jelly. Paint a curve inside the inner corners of each section to create your orange slice. Cure for 10 seconds. Complete the other half of the orange by repeating the previous steps. Tidy any areas needed before curing. Cure for 10 seconds. Using clear builder gel and your thin nail art brush, paint a thick dot inside the bigger end of the section, then slide it to the center. Cure for 30 seconds. Repeat with every section, curing in between to avoid losing the 3D shape. Cure for 30 seconds. Using Whiteout and your dotting tool, place a dot in the center of your orange. Cure for 10 seconds. Apply a thin coat of top coat and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply Gelous Cuticle Oil around your nails and rub into your skin to nourish and moisturize. Thanks for watching.